Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton GLX single cab chassis ute. Stock reference number 4985. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand guard, appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, left front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left front door has 4 small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, tip-top equipment, alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, includes the steel tray, cage, right hand rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right power door mirror, right front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.